Sometimes I get advice like if you love someone, just let them go. And if they come back to you, you're meant to be. I'm running on lodge or what for you to come whenever you want, go whenever you want. Mama, once you choose to leave, means this is one-way street. Keep walking. You turn and all, you don't try. Yeah, you thought I'll sit like on Devdas or what? I'm too good. I'm very fine without you. Apdiye poite report that day. Yeah, Sometimes when I'm out with my friends, and I see somebody we know right behind them and I'm like, oh, he's right there, don't look. You know what they do, Where? Full manangati, like this thing turn off. Where? Yeah, Dora the Explorer. Just now I told you he's behind you. Where else? He'll be obviously still behind you. Now he also knows we're looking. Where? Idiot. When I said don't look with your peripheral vision from the corner like, oh, there. Where? Idiot. The most common advice I get when I'm very angry is just chill. Chill. I also know that I have to chill. How? Tell how. Do one thing. Put me in one box, put me in the fridge. Maybe then I'll chill. Even better call up at Elsa, Anna, Olaf. We'll all sit in one circle and do kacheri and be like, let it go. Maybe then I'll chill. Don't give kakus advice if you don't know what to say. Bloody buffoon. Mams, if we take one picture together, and we can both see I look like Supandi in it. But you upload it anyway, and then you'll be like, no, yeah, you look nice only. Oh. Outside those houses, one red color drishti like this it'll look. No, that's what I look like. Don't lie. There are other pictures where you both look nice. But no, this one, you look nicer. Like here. Oh, wow. Just do one thing. Take off my hat, put on the floor, stamp it. Just put on it and stamp it. Don't play games like this. Hello, excuse me, teacher. Actually, I just wanted to say that when you take my notebook and you turn the pages like... It makes me a little bit uncomfortable actually because your full jollu is on my notebook. I just wanted to say it's not Anna Sambar for you to be like, it's just a book. So it's a sincere request from my side to your side. Please don't do it. Yours sincerely, thank you. You know the one thing all my PT teachers had in common? Poopifying. Attention! Hey, Pooja! I said stand at his. This is therefore a sincere request to all the PT teachers to please inform students to bring raincoat before you start the rain dance. Thank you. I actually suppressed all these memories, but I was watching this movie Chalang on Amazon Prime Video. That's why I remembered. Nice only. You also watch. So I've always heard people say, money can never buy anybody happiness. Macha, how like this you'll talk for everybody? Speak for yourself. If you put money in my account, means I'll be very happy actually. You put and see how happy my face will be. I'll be like, oh, see, I'm so happy. Chumma jujube lines like this you don't throw. You put money and see how happy I'll be. Can't buy anybody happiness. You can buy mine. Please put. Thank you. Okay, Macha, listen. This one is important. If somebody cracks a joke and you don't get it and everybody else is laughing, don't be like, what was the joke? Can you tell? Like, don't ask. Do this like me. 2 seconds later, laugh again. Still thinking about your joke. Simple. You're welcome. Okay, listen. If your mom is yelling at you and you have the guts and the audacity to yell back at her because you're standing up for yourself, you and I, we are not even the same species, Macha. By mistake also, if I change one micro expression in my face when my mom is yelling at me, forget standing up for myself, still break my legs into piece like one kebab. I can't stand only after that. How like this? You're so daring. Khatron ke khiladi or what? Sure. You know what's funny? The fact that my friends think they can make one spontaneous plan to hang out today and they think my mom will give permission. Hi, hello, nice to meet you actually. I need 1 week prior notice so I can make one full-blown fake story and then my mom will be like, ask Appa, I don't know. And then he'll be like, ask Amma, I don't know. And then on the day she'll be like, no, you can't go. And then I go to my room and cry. But you really thought you could make a spontaneous plan with me. Yeah, Munja pare. What a cute fellow. No chance, Macha. I don't know if anybody else feels like this, but whenever I'm washing my face at night time, and the soap is exactly near my eyes, so I can't open my eyes also. That's when my brain is like, hey, listen, no. When you open your eyes, there may or may not be a ghost behind you or in the mirror, and it may come out to you like bear. Now I'm too scared to open my eyes, but I can't stand there also forever. My heart is too delicate to handle this. Life is so difficult, I say. I have to make a confession today. I have one small problem. Whenever I eat something sweet, I need to eat something spicy. And then my mouth becomes too spicy, and then I have to eat something sweet again. And then it becomes too sweet, and then I have to eat some. You get the point, no? How many times I have to tell? I'm stuck in one loop. I don't even know what to do. What is the cure? What is the solution? Anyway, you have chocolate or what? Like that only give chips also. Thank you. I actually don't even know where to start. But if I'm crying, don't come to me and ask, are you okay? Look at my face. Look at my munji. Please look. Do I look okay? No! No! You don't know what to ask means don't ask anything. Are you okay? Are you blind? Bloody buffoon.
Hello, this poem is for my best friend. Roses are red, violets are blue. If you call someone else your best friend, I will slap you. Hogale ninna jeetu. Thank you.